Hey guys, it is Dan here. I just took a shower. So, I want to show you these two forecasts. So, this first one is the one that I think is most likely. So for Baltimore, Maryland, as you can see that white dot right there, very faint. And there's Washington right there. Baltimore could be seeing 12 plus inches of snow. On the 12-kilometer, the NAM 12-kilometer model, it's showing 12 plus in Baltimore, 8 to 12 in Washington, and that's pretty good snow, but 3 to 6, and it's mixing around southern Maryland in Prince George's County, southern Prince George's County. That's the areas that are going to get that type. Now, this blue indicates 12 plus. Baltimore will be on the 12 foot, a foot to over a foot or less of a foot. I think if this goes on, then we're going to get just a foot, like 12 inches of snow. You can see 8 to 12 for this area. Yeah, that's like a dash, and then there's that's a 1 and 2. So, anyways, and then there's gonna be just kind of layering, because it's gonna be very mixed over here. Probably less than 5 or 3 inches. Yeah, but those are the two forecasts that I made that I think might happen. They're both equally as possible, but I'm kind of leaning towards the one, because you can see southern Maryland. Washington, D.C. is just on the line of not mixing and mixing, but that break in the snow probably will, decrease the snowfall rates. But if we look on the CM model, went past it. So what happens is that we're getting pretty heavy snow for a little while, and it pulls off. Now let's see how much. Near a foot, but you can see there's that cutoff near Washington. Oh, yeah, more than a foot. Just see? That's why I told you. This is the one where it mixes. You can see just a little bit of snow in some areas, but it's a big difference. Now, if we go to the mesoscale models, which are very accurate, this is still very accurate, but it's not as accurate as the other ones that I showed for morning meeting at my school. So you can see rain at first. It kind of has a struggle to switch, and this is going to leave us with maybe less of a foot if this happens. But if we go to the NAM 12 model, it's going to be able to switch midway and then just kick in, give us that snow. And that is going to give us about 18 inches. It stuck with that every time it updated. Now, this is this kind of strange. I don't think southern Maryland is going to get that much, but who knows? Who knows, right? This model, this thing is restarting, but why don't we just check on what it thinks? This is showing it push up very far for where the low is. That's kind of weird. I don't think that's going to happen. Let me see. Let's go through that model. Pretty heavy snow. Rarely switches, and that, yeah. So, blah, 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 blah. So if we back that up, we're continuously just getting snow. Wow, that looks... But you can see, I think that there should be a foot for most areas, but still it's showing in Prince George's County about 8 inches. Strange, but you know, this model about a foot in our area. This model about a foot. It's kind of matching up with the CM model though, with the cutoff, you know. That is an extreme cutoff, guys. If this happens, I'm gonna be pretty angry, but you can see, oh yeah. The rain wouldn't be able to push in because that's where the low was for Winter Storm Jonas, and we got snow. I think that they're overdoing it a little bit, but when the snow wraps around, they're pretty accurate with that. They're very accurate with that. But the rain behind, yeah, these models are weird. So you see little dots of rain in the snow. That's when you know the model's just kind of glitchy. Like, let me show you. See? That isn't right. Well, it's just a model. So it gives us a good bit of snow. Oh, I do not know why I keep doing this. I have no motor skills, by the way, guys. Yeah, it kind of shows that same thing with the rain reaching in. The Weather Channel says the same, but all I gotta say about the Weather Channel is that they're not always right. Yeah, kind of weird. Who knows what's gonna happen, guys? And if we go on the Weather Channel, let me just show you guys this real quick. Oh, there's a tornado warning again.
Can you play Retrophile by 2 words on Spotify?
Oh, there's 2. Whoa, guys, hold up. So do you see how it's kind of like this swinging in? So tornadoes are usually around here. You can see that looks like a hook, but it's not tornado. It's too weird. This is in the middle of a storm. Look at that. So you can see these winds wrapping into the tornado with this. The tornado is right over there. That is so crazy. I've never seen anything like this.
Daniel?
Yeah?
Did you take a shower?
Yes. So yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, that's when like it starts to die down, but still tornadoes are going now. You can see that rain, that kind of pushing on Washington. This means mix, but yeah, we're definitely not going to get as much snow, but this isn't the most accurate thing. By the way, I do not get that. But winter storm watches. I wonder when warnings will be issued. Yeah, we're gonna get snow most of the day. Owens X Roads? What? That's like super weird name. It says Owen. It used to say owns X roads. But you can see that there's a tornado wrapped inside there. So bye guys. I'm going to give you an update.